loves, I'm back with another video. My name is Shakira Show. I am a content creator and I create lifestyle content, natural hair content, as well as nursing content. So if you are new and that's something that you are interested in, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications button, because I upload videos weekly. If you are not new, welcome back. I'm so glad you came. Y'all, I don't know why I am just now trying a DIY mask, hair mask for the first time. So many people ask me like, how do you make your natural hair grow? Like, how does your curls look like this? How does it do that? And I honestly have never tried making my own products. I've tried to stay on the spectrum of using like natural organic products, and some product lines that I do use, they have chemicals in it. So like today, I wash my hair with the Aussie Coconut Curl shampoo and conditioner. I mean, Aussie is like one of my favorite brands. So that's something that I use like consistently. That's in my hair care routine. But I was like, okay, why don't I try a hair mask? So I was doing my Googles and I came across the benefits as far as aloe vera, honey, and coconut oil. So I decided to just go ahead and mix them all three together and put them on my hair. And this is what I came out with. So this is my hair after the mask with no products. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it too. So if that's something that you wanna see, just keep on watching.
The first thing you wanna do is make sure you wash it really good and wipe it down. And you're going to take a knife, cut off the ends, and also make sure that you cut it in half. So depending on the type of hair, how long, the porosity, you can determine how much you actually need. For my type of hair, I need the whole entire plant. So I'm cutting it into smaller pieces and I'm showing you the size, about how big and small they are. And I'm going to cut those smaller pieces into half so that I'm able to scoop it out with ease. So I'm just cutting these pieces into smaller pieces and splitting them in half throughout the entire plant leaf. This is super easy to do. Then you want to get a bowl and you want to do this over with a big spoon and scrape out the aloe vera. Try not to actually scoop part of the actual green leaf. Just make sure you get all of the good gooey stuff with that spoon. I recommend a spoon because it's a lot safer and you lower the risk of actually cutting yourself in the process. So I do that throughout, and then I sift through that whole entire bowl and just pick out the pieces of the plant that I don't want in there. Now I am going to take my Ninja blending cup, pour the aloe vera into the cup, and start adding the other components. So I recommend that you take the coconut oil and actually melt it down into a liquid mixture, and you're going to pour that in with the aloe vera. And then I'm taking the raw organic honey and I am going to pour about 3 full tablespoons of the honey. My hair personally likes honey. I love honey. I love the smell of it, and it just gives my hair an overall shine. So I'm definitely generous with that. All right, now it's time to mix all 3 of these ingredients together, and you actually want to blend this just for a few seconds. You don't want it to be too thick and you don't want it to be too watery. You want it to be just good enough mix so that you're able to actually pour it into an application bottle if that's what you're going to use. And you don't want it just too clumpy when it comes to the aloe vera. And I'm just showing you what it looks like, and now it's time to apply it to my hair.
So I put the actual hair mask in a container so that I can just pop off the top and then just squeeze it onto my hair. My hair is already shampooed and conditioned. I already sectioned it and twisted it into 4 parts. So I'm gonna take this down. We can start with the back. My hair's already been detangled as well. So what I want to do is I actually want to section this off. Because my hair is so thick, it's better for me to break it down and into even more parts. Just makes my hair that much more manageable. And then I'm just going to hold this with a ponytail holder so it doesn't get in the way. I'm gonna have my easy detangle brush. And if you see me looking over here, I have a mirror right here so I can see exactly what I'm doing. So it's nice and detangled. My hair's not soaking wet, but it's just dry enough. This is like actually my first time doing a hair mask. I typically just use hair masks that come, not my first time doing a hair mask, but my first time making my own. Because I typically just use the hair masks that come with a particular product line. So the last one that I used was actually called the Heal and Renew by Uncle Funky's Daughters. And you just apply it throughout sections and then you leave it in your hair in a cap for about 35 to 40 minutes. Right. Going to twist this. Woo. All right, and then I'm just gonna finish the other side. Make sure I put a little bit. On my scalp. All through my hair. So these are my twists. So I'm actually gonna put my hair in a shower cap, and I'm going to leave this on for about 35 minutes. And then I will come back once it's all washed out. Okay, so I'm back. I wanted to show you all what my hair looks like since it's been in for about, I said 30 minutes, but it was really like 45 minutes, close to an hour. And I just wanted to show y'all, like, my hair feels so soft. And it's still like dripping. And as you can see, like the aloe pieces are still in there too. I have to help this towel out just so it doesn't get on the floor. Look at that. That's that side. Take down the back. I will say, like, if you're gonna do the cap, make sure it's like one of those secured ones, because I'm telling you, the whole back of my neck is sticky from that honey. Okay. This one. So this is what my hair is like after it's been in a mask for about an hour. It smells good. It's soft. I love how my curls are just, one thing I've noticed, like my curls have gotten looser over time, especially the ones in the front. They're not as kinky as the back. That's why as I was explaining earlier, I feel like the top of, if y'all hear that noise, that is Congo playing with his toy that I just got him. And what I noticed is that the back of my hair is a lot more kinkier than the front. So this is, I feel like this is like 3C hair up front, and then the back is like 4C, 4B, like kinky, tighter, I said tighter curls. So I can't stop playing at it, y'all. So this is it. I feel like, I don't know, it's just made my curls look so different. I like it a lot. Makes me want to wear my, actually makes me want to wear my hair like this. But now I can't go outside with it wet like this. I'll catch pneumonia. So this is my hair with my very own DIY hair mask. Congo! Stop! You messing up mommy's video. So this is my DIY mask with coconut oil, raw honey, and aloe vera juice. So like I said, you can still see the pieces of the aloe vera in my hair. I haven't washed it out just yet, but I wanted to show you all what it looks like after it's been sitting in my hair for about 45 minutes. So I'm actually about to wash it out, and I'll be back in just a second. Woo, I'm soaking wet. So this is my hair after I've washed it out. As you can see, my curls, honey, look at that. It works. It really works. Oh, my hair looks so pretty. So here's my hair with it all washed out to front. As you can see, my curls are popping, like seriously, y'all. Look at that. I'll show you the back. So 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend you all trying this mask. Like I said, it's just coconut oil, aloe vera, and raw honey. and I think it'll just do your hair good. I was generous with the honey because my hair personally likes honey, so I put a lot in there, and oh, my hair just feels so clean, so good. Here is my hair after I've washed all of the mask out. The curls, they're popping, they're giving you life. They feel juicy. My hair just feels ultimately clean. I probably need to go through and wash it. Not wash it, but rinse it one more time just to make sure I get the aloe vera pieces out of it all together. I'm probably definitely gonna have to wash it in sections since my hair is so thick. So I just wanted you all to see the process, and this is how real it gets. The only suggestion I would have as far as the aloe vera is concerned is to just blend it up as much as you can, or use a strainer. I did not use a strainer. I definitely will next time. So what I actually want to do is continue these masks for the next 3 months, every other month, to see how much my hair will change over time and if it'll grow. So if you all would love to keep up with that journey, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications button, and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you all next week with another video. Bye.